Hello friends, we're going through some really stressful and fearful times. The second wave of coronavirus has come and hit us really fiercely. So many people in our circle we know are falling sick, getting hospitalized, and some are even dying to the disease. Hi, I'm Hiren. I'm into meditation since the past 20 years and have been teaching meditations for the past several years. I've come to you today especially with two very simple, powerful exercises which will help us in today's times to increase our oxygen levels, our immunity, increase the nitric oxide in our body. Today, corona patients have been given nitric oxide injections to boost their immunity, to help them with the breathing, to increase their lung capacity. These two exercises will help us build up our immunity and our lung capacity. These exercises are tried and tested at my center, also in my online classes. They have worked wonders in people's lives. Their stress is reduced, their lung capacity is increased, their immunity is boosted, their sleep is better, overall they are feeling more joyful, fear is reduced. Surely give it a shot and see how you feel. And do let me know in the comment section once you do it, how you're feeling after doing it. Right? So we'll jump right into it. These are two very simple exercises. The first one is humming. The second is yogic complete breathing. Humming is very simple. Just we have to take in a deep breath from our nose, in breath from our nose, and while breathing out, we'll make the sound hmm. This hmm will be as loud as you can and as long as you can. Right? So I'll just show it to you once. It's a deep breath in from the nose. While breathing out, making the sound Right? That's simple. Just a deep breath in from the nose, while breathing out the sound as loud as you can, as long as you can. Okay? And the second is yogic complete breathing. Yogic complete breathing is very powerful, very profound. It's the best way of breathing, and it'll bring about a beautiful transformation in your entire life. Believe me, trust me, give it a shot, try it out. Okay, so this is when you breathe in, first the tummy will come out a bit, then your chest will come up. In the end, collarbone, shoulders will be high. When you breathe in, I'll repeat, when you breathe in, tummy will come out a bit, then chest will come up. In the end, collarbone and shoulders will be high. When you breathe out, first the tummy will go in, chest will come down, collarbone, shoulders will be relaxed. It's a 3-step breathing, but in one smooth movement, without any jhatkas, without any. It's a very smooth process, right? It's a very smooth thing. I'll show it to you once. Breathe in, tummy out a bit, chest up, collarbone, shoulders high. Breaths right up to your neck. You'll feel the oxygen in your collarbone, feel the oxygen in your shoulders. And when you breathe out, first the tummy will go in, chest down, collarbone, shoulders relaxed. They will not stoop down, they'll just be there and there, it'll be relaxed. Right? So I'll show it to you once again. Yogic complete breathing, breath in, tummy out a bit, chest up, collarbone, shoulders high. Breaths right up to your collarbone, shoulders. Feel the oxygen here. Feel the oxygen up to here. And when you breathe out, tummy in, chest down, collarbone, shoulders relaxed. Right? This is yogic complete breathing. Now this you will do for 5 minutes. 5 minutes humming and 5 minutes yogic complete breathing. You can do this 3 times a day. And see the effect. See the effect on your oxygen level, on your immunity, on your happiness. Your stress will go down, your sleep will be better. Overall, you'll feel really joyful and loving and peaceful. All right. So let me know in the comment section how you're feeling about it. Any queries, any doubts you have about this, feel free to ask me in the comment section. You can WhatsApp me personally. I'll be very happy to answer them. All right. Stay safe, stay healthy, and spread the word. Spread these two breathing techniques with everyone, all your loved ones. All right. Stay happy, spread the joy, spread the love. Goodbye.